Oh, his client over there?
Yeah.
You got him waiting, man.
He just walked in.
He waiting for you, man.
I'm appointment only.
He waiting for you, bro. You feel me?
Appointment, it's not happening.
You got all these right here, man. You feel me? You got all these heads right here because that nigga said it's a no-go.
Y'all all getting number two.
What's up, baby?
See, y'all all getting zeros.
What's up, baby?
Y'all all getting zeros, bro.
What's up, baby?
Ball heads.
What's up, baby?
PB family.
Hey.
Y'all getting big, though.
Dang.
Yeah.
Dang. Dad, when I stand on the cabinet in the bathroom, I'm
Listen, look. That's the most important part of the haircut is your lineup. This you gotta stay still, right? See that fresh lineup?
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man, coming at y'all with another video, and it's finally time to get a haircut, bro. I mean, I am stupid dumb woofing. Y'all already know, y'all done saw my woofing tutorials and all that, and it's definitely time, man. But shout out to the ones that watched my last video, man. If you haven't watched that video, man, I feel like that's the most informative video that I have ever done, to be honest. It covers a lot of things about woofing, man. Like, that's the main thing that you need to do to get your shit popping, to make your waves elite. You know what I'm saying? So if you didn't watch that video, man, make sure you click the link right here and you can watch it. Definitely informative, and you know, that shit right, that should push you to, like, you know, to start woofing, bro. Real talk. But anyways, man, it's time to get a cut, man. As y'all can see, we already at can't even talk. Dream Cuts Barbershop. And I've been woofing for about 16 weeks, bro. It is definitely time to get a cut, my nigga. Like, it is time, bro. My shit is stupid long. We gonna go in there right now and you know, y'all see Deucey getting his haircut already. I just came out here basically to film. You know, Deucey, then you gonna have, I think I'm gonna have Kevon go after that, then Keyshawn, and then Trey, and then me. I'm gonna be last. So we gonna film the cut though, the full haircut, man, so you guys can see. I'm trying to get my progress back. I've been like putting in that work, man, since I lost the progress purposely for you guys. I've been trying to get the progress back, so we gonna see if I got that shit back.
20 minutes later.
On, bro. I know I'm about to comb right now. Make sure y'all comb before you get a haircut, man. That's what I'm about to do right now. Comb. Good comb haircut. It's line though. This shit is long though.
That's what it did.
It's the last head and then I'm next. You see, I got my hair combed out and all that. I'm ready. See me? You ready? I tell y'all, man, y'all gotta make sure you comb your hair out before you get a cut. Y'all see what I did, man? I'm combing. I'm still combing. You feel me? It's been about an hour and I'm still combing. That's what you wanna do before the cut.
Ooh, friend, drop that shit.
Alright, it's time now. Cut this off, man.
Drop that bitch. Drop that bitch. Drop that bitch.
Two hours later.
Alright, gang, I just got the cut, you feel me? Y'all know, man, being that when I get a haircut and my hair, I leave it long, so I got a 3 with the grain, you feel me? You guys know, like, normally the normal waiver y'all see, they be getting like 1.5s and 2s, whatever, but right now, it's really no need for me to cut my hair really short. But anyways, man, that's why I looked how I looked before. That's because as soon as I get the cut, okay, what I'm trying to say is, let me explain better. A 1.5, when you watch a normal haircut tutorial, right, and they get it, and somebody's dipping, they get a 1.5. As soon as you get the haircut, you're gonna see right away, like, dang, that shit look good. But being that I get my haircut with a higher guard, like a 3 guard, it's not gonna really show right after you get the haircut. You know what I'm saying? Like mid haircut, it's not gonna really show. You gotta brush your hair, all that, to lay all them hairs down, throw the rag on, all that. So that's why I looked how it looked. But I do notice that I lost some progress. I told you guys I lost progress. I told y'all. It's crazy though. Y'all know I'm finna get my shit back though. I gotta go hard, real talk, because I lost progress, man. Like, that's not me, you feel me? I done green forks, cricket waves, and all types of shit. But it still look nice. Overall, the cut is nice, or whatever. I just got a good session in, you know, feel me? Threw the rag on, threw some royal butter in my hair. Y'all know, you feel me? I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it, but whatever. Y'all see right here in the next scene, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the full cut or whatever, how it look. And yeah, I lost progress though, for facts, bro. But it still look good. It's a nice cut overall. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. That's pretty much the end of the video. And check it out. Let's get it. So that's the end of the video. I told you I lost progress though. But it's for the better though. Now it's time for me to turn up. You know, y'all see right here in this area I kind of lost progress. Wave, cricket, you know, go, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of you guys like, man, it doesn't matter. I died to have your type of those waves right here like this. But y'all know how my waves normally be, so I'm just saying, real talk. But yeah, man. So that's how I was looking, man. That area right there. This is like really my size though. That I lost progress, and then right here too. Like you see, this area. So time to get the brushing, but just basically just cut the overall haircut, the taper, everything is a clean cut. I like it, you know. 3 with the grain. I didn't have to touch my crown at all. I didn't want him to touch my crown at all, so I told him not to touch the crown. You know, because I'm actually gonna focus more on my crown this time. You know what I'm saying? Even my waves too, but a lot on my crown. So next time, you know, my crown will be better. You know, but that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share it. You know what I'm saying? Comment and subscribe. Hit the button, man. Show love. All right. Like too. Like it. That being said, man, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Howdy.